hungry, so let's eat. We're in Chef Jamal today, okay? We're doing some dish. I don't know how to explain it, but it's gonna be good. And for first, what we're gonna do is this onion right here, okay? Okay, we got the pan, our pan nice and hot already, nice and good. So let's go ahead and cut our onion right here. Get it all nice and cut up for our pan so we can start sauteing the onion in the pan. So how everybody doing today? We're going to do some type of steak vegetable. I'm gonna use some of this masala wine I got here. Okay, we're gonna make a quick lunch. I'm John hungry, so I just thought I'd cook with you guys. Okay, so let's do it this way. Okay. I'm looking. Only way you can do it is less you have that good old hand, okay, that claw, okay? So we got our nice onion cut. We got some good old, put some of this in the pan, okay? You see how it's getting nice and hot. Let's start sizzling that in there, okay? Let's throw that in there. Throw all your onion in, get all your onion nice and good. Put the sauce in, okay? You see that? You see how it's smoking in there? I want a good saute, okay? Nice and good, okay? Nice and smoky. We're gonna add a little bit more of this olive oil in there because our pan is nice and hot. Okay, I hear that? To the side. We're gonna take some butter, okay? Cut the butter, throw the butter in the pan. Alright? That's what we're gonna do. Okay? Clean up your cutting board, okay? Get your steak. Alright? We got a steak right here, okay? We're gonna put a little bit of this olive oil on the steak, okay? We're gonna take some good old steak seasoning, alright? Throw some steak seasoning on top, okay? If you want to use that top thing, you can. It's okay, it's there for to help, okay? Just make sure it's nice and good on all sides, alright? Just like that. Steak. I'm gonna put the steak in the pan, okay? Right in the middle of all that goodness. Okay? We're gonna do all that. Make sure your pan is nice and hot. Let's come take a look. Oh man, I see that in the pan, just like that. We're gonna make sure. All right, guys, I'm back. Okay? So we got the pan nice and serious. We're gonna make sure we go all around that pan with the steak and everything, all around it, okay? Because we wanna make sure we get a nice, good sear in that pan on that. Then what we're gonna do, we're gonna sear on both sides and then we're gonna cut it and then throw it in the pan. So while I'm doing that, let's go ahead and turn it. We're going to turn to all that butter, all that goodness, okay guys? All that butter in there, okay? Alright, while we're doing that, we're going to go grab the mushrooms, okay? Got the mushrooms right here. See that little mushroom, okay? Take some of your mushrooms, we're going to throw some mushrooms in there, okay? Throw some of your mushrooms in there, nice and good, okay? Make sure you got great mushrooms. Always get your fresh mushrooms, organic mushrooms from your local grocery store because it always tastes better when they're organic, okay guys? Make sure y'all remember that, okay? So we got our mushrooms in there. Alright, we're gonna put some of this garlic salt. Throw some of the garlic salt in there. That good old garlic salt, okay? Alright. You know what? Okay, we get this nice and nice. You know what I'm saying? Make sure it's good on both sides, just like that. We're gonna put it to the side on top of our cutting board. So we're gonna take our masala, okay? Put our masala in there, okay? Put some masala in there. And start cooking off that good old flavor, okay? Good old flavor, put the masala in there. Y'all smell that? Y'all smell that aroma? Looking amazing, smelling amazing. Y'all with me? Y'all with me? Good. Alright, so we got the nice masala in there, okay? We're gonna turn the heat on high. So we got some good old asparagus right here, guys. We cooked, we boiled, blanched, put some ice, all that good stuff, and then nice and colored green, right? Ready to eat, okay? So once we do that, okay? All right, here's our steak, okay? You see how I ain't cook it all the way because we're gonna put it back into a pan, okay? Because we're gonna get a nice better sear, but we wanted to make sure we lock in the juices before we cut it and everything. See, it got a nice little squeeze to it. You see, nice little squeeze. That's good. So what I'm gonna do now, once this has been sitting for like 2 or 3 minutes, okay, we're just gonna cut it like that. Okay. It's not cooked all the way through, but you just want that sear on top because we're gonna throw it back in the pan. I just want that good sear on top before we cooked the middle part, okay? We're just gonna cook it that long. We're just gonna cut like that, real nice and thin, just like that. Quick meal, guys, quick meal. Key to this is a quick meal, okay? Cut the rest of that fat off, okay? You see how it got all nice and sliced like that, okay? We're gonna throw a little bit more of this steak seasoning for the middle, okay? Just a little bit more to give it that extra pump that we want, you know, that extra little Shazam. You feel me? All right, so let's go. Okay, so we got the pan, got nice looking good. Okay, we're gonna sit that to the side, okay? Because we're gonna need to put it in the pan again. Pan for your steak, okay? Get it all nice and hot. Make sure your heat's on high, okay? So we're gonna put some more of that olive oil in there, okay? All right. So while your mushrooms, that's getting hot. See, I got the mushrooms right there looking good. Okay, guys. So let's shut it around like that. Okay, just make sure everything is nice and good. Okay. So just put it back down. So what we're gonna do now is put the steak back in the pan. Okay. So what we're gonna do is put it long ways. Okay. You're gonna start to hear the sizzle in a second. I don't know if y'all guys can hear that yet. Y'all hear that? Y'all hear the sizzle yet? Y'all hear that happiness in the pan? Y'all hear that? Y'all hear that? Because we want to get that good sear in this pan. Now, for the inside of the steak, okay, guys? Wash my hands right quick. So the pan is searing real nice and good for our steak here, right, guys? Hello, what's going on? What's going on? I see you in the comments. Hello from Detroit. Hello from Detroit, Michigan. Hello. All right, so we got that pan on high, right? Y'all smell that? And then we're gonna take some butter, okay? Let's take some butter. Throw some butter in that pan, okay? Y'all smell that? We wanna do a little toss and knock that butter all nice and happy in the pan, okay? We got our stuff smelling good here, okay? So we have a nice gravy mixture in here. Then we're gonna pour it in the pan here, okay? So that all that flavor should have cooked out into, you know what I'm saying, all that masala, alcohol should have cooked out into the pan. So it should be the mushrooms, everything. Great. You have some mashed potatoes on the side for it. Real nice, real good, real banging. Okay, guys? It's cooking good. Okay? You see our steak in there looking good. Steak looking good. You see that smell? Steak looking good, guys. Looking good, okay? Y'all see that? Looking good, okay? That's our steak looking good. That's how we want it, okay? Looking good. So put that to the side. Alright, so this is what we're going to switch. Okay? Switch now. We want to bring back to that gravy mixture we made earlier. We'll bring it back. Thank you. And now we're cooking, okay? We're about to plate this meal. And y'all tell me what y'all think. Let me know in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about it. I'll drop the recipe for it. And let's get it. Okay, so let's start, okay? Start with that good old mash, okay? Start with that good old mash. Now we're gonna put the asparagus, guys, okay? We're gonna put the asparagus, okay? All right? Just put the asparagus on top just like that, guys, okay? Now we're gonna take that awesome gravy that we made together, right? The awesome gravy that we made together. Okay? We're gonna put just a just cup these mushrooms on top. On top. Okay? Once I do that, then we're gonna take our steak that we made together, guys, and put it on top. Okay, guys? Let's put it on top, okay? Put it on top. Okay? Alright? Let's put that on top. Okay? And then now, come back with the gravy. Come back with the gravy. And just put it on. Okay? Alright? There we go, guys. Thank you for watching. We're Chef Jamal from Chef Jamal's Kitchen. Hope you enjoyed. See you next time. Hungry, let's eat.